Since 1930, the Cocoa Research Center of the University of the West Indies, CRC, has been contributing to the cocoa industry, making the center the oldest cocoa research facility in the world. CRC is the custodian of the International Cocoa Gene Bank, Trinidad, regarded as the largest international cocoa collection in the world, and is a global leader in cocoa genetic resources, offering a range of germplasm services such as DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting accurately identifies each cocoa variety. Single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs, provide a unique fingerprint, and the database of fingerprints that we curate also provides a means of comparing the fingerprint of a variety to determine its closest relative and ancestry. The first step is to harvest healthy cocoa leaves at a specific stage of development. A leaf strip is cut from a cleaned leaf and placed into a labeled vial with a desiccant. The samples are then dispatched to us for DNA fingerprinting. Information for the sampling rationale, collection, and dispatch of samples is provided. The second step is DNA isolation. The leaves are macerated in a homogenizer, and the DNA is chemically extracted and purified using organic solvents and then quantified. The third step is to probe the DNA at many different SNP positions in a fluidigm DNA fingerprinting system. The platform uses microfluidics-based technology to amplify and detect the SNPs and generate a SNP DNA fingerprint for each sample. Fourthly, the output is analyzed using a number of bioinformatics software programs. The SNP DNA fingerprints of the client samples are compared to 1,500 reference profiles in our database to determine the uniqueness and ancestry of each sample. Finally, an interpretive report is prepared explaining the results and addressing the client's questions. Our DNA fingerprinting and genetic diversity services are used by countries worldwide to determine the ancestry of cocoa varieties grown for varietal branding purposes, the genetic diversity that exists within a country for purposes of establishing a national conservatory or gene bank, the fidelity of clonal and seed gardens to ensure that good quality planting materials are distributed to farmers, the cocoa varieties with specific characters to be introduced and used to establish industries. To access our global DNA fingerprinting service, visit our website at www.cococenter.com or www.ifcic.com.